how to use WhatsApp Plus premium feature in 2026. So in here, let me remind you guys or educate you guys that WhatsApp official do not have any sort of WhatsApp Plus or premium feature. So if you do see any kind of WhatsApp Plus on or any kind of link, or if you do try to download the APK file, I would recommend you guys not to do that, because it definitely is a modified third-party clone app, and it definitely violates WhatsApp's terms of service and lacks the end-to-end encryption. So the risk is really high if you do download such kind of apps. So downloading these models on the APK files that you usually sees frequently injects malware into your device and triggers a permanent account ban from official WhatsApp server. So what you're gonna do is stick to the official WhatsApp Messenger or use the official WhatsApp business. So yeah, that's it.